This is it guys, wala nang intro. Proceed na agad tayo sa ating finale episode ng part 5. Yes guys, it is the final episode and you can all witness the beautiful view hidden in Malinaw, Tago Falls na dinarayo ng marami kahit malayo. Pero in fairness guys, sulit among kahago kay nindot man jud tuod ang sapa. Then the view is so amazing. The water is so clean. Okay jud kaayo sa bondings ang Tago Falls. Sa mga wala pa kaanhi, arati na guys. The Tago Falls of Malinaw is the best to relax and unwind in a very affordable way. Dili kayo sakit sa bulsa guys, kay afford ra kaayo. Gasolina ug isda bites na. Pwede na kamuanhi with your katropa. Before I end my video, I would like to say thank you so much sa akong mga kauban dinhing dapita. Actually, I enjoyed a lot. Sulit jud akong absent kay nabanding tamo. Kay panagsarabay jud ko mag-apil-apil og ingani. So everything is all worth it. It is the unforgettable bondings for all of us. So that's the end of our road trip videos. May bonus video kami during our bondings sa Tago Falls. Hope you watch it, guys. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you guys for watching.